NDTV has accessed the report which have been submitted by the West Bengal governor to the Ministry of Home Affairs. The letter over the Murshidabad violence in West Bengal. The governor has said militancy poses a serious challenge in the state, and he also wants a commission of inquiry to be set up. In the report, the governor has said twin spectre of radicalization and militancy. Riots were premeditated and state government was aware of the build-up to the threat. The West Bengal governor has slammed the law enforcement agencies of the state. This has now spiraled into another attack or tension between the government of West Bengal and the governor. Meanwhile, the TMC has refuted the charges made by Governor Bose and has said the situation is under control. Let me bring in my colleague Shreyasi, who is joining us with more details on this story. This report which has been submitted to the Ministry of Home Affairs, Shreyasi, is different from the government of West Bengal's report. And also, it states, that the law enforcement agencies in the state were aware of this tension and largely did nothing. It will open another front between Mamata Banerjee and Governor Bose.
Well, that's right, and the disclosure comes just hours ahead of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's Murshidabad visit. She will be beginning that visit tomorrow. For the next 3 days, she will be in Murshidabad. But more importantly, the governor's report to the MHA highlights not just the violence that took place in Murshidabad, where he has categorically said that the state was aware that there was going to be an escalation. They had intel, but they did not act upon those intel inputs and could not tackle the crowd that had, transformed into a violent crowd claiming 2 lives later on. Apart from that, the governor has highlighted the overall law and order situation of West Bengal, where he has said 2 very important things: allegations of population manipulation, considering these districts of Murshidabad and Malda lie along the border of Bangladesh, and has also spoken about radicalization, and has also specifically highlighted how the political parties, both the ruling Trinamool Congress and the opposition parties in West Bengal, are drawing a religious narrative ahead of elections, making it more communal and more polarized. This is something that has been highlighted in the governor's report as well, and a scathing report nonetheless. The governor has also given certain recommendations and suggestions on his behalf after visiting these violence-hit places earlier in April. And in that, he has also left the president's rule option open in his last line of the report. So this report essentially goes on to highlight the law and order situation currently in West Bengal, given the violent and communal clashes that took place in Murshidabad, and thereafter keeping in mind that the elections are going to be held next year. What kind of a law and order situation prevails, that has been highlighted by the governor in this report to the Ministry of Home Affairs.